In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom pages in Beehiiv. Whether you're building a personalized section for your website or need to craft external links, this tutorial has you covered. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we're going to begin by logging into your Beehiiv account. This is a pretty straightforward process, so go ahead and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left panel and click on Design and then Website Builder. This area of the platform is where you have all the tools you need for creating and managing your site's pages. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Next, focus on the center of the page where you'll see the home page option. You'll want to click on the down arrow right next to it. If you're seeing multiple entries, make sure you're clicking the one located directly next to home page. Once you've clicked that down arrow, you'll reveal more options. Select custom pages from the list. This section is where you can add both internal and external custom pages to your site. Let's start with adding an internal page. You'll see an option to click Add Internal Page. Choose this and a new form will pop up for you to fill in. Here there are several essential details you'll need to provide. Begin by selecting an optional thumbnail image. This image can help visitors visually recognize the page, though it's not required. Next, you'll need to decide if this page should be a draft or a standalone page. Draft pages can be part of your nav bar, enhancing your site's navigation, while standalone pages are only accessible through direct links. Continue by filling out the necessary text fields. Your internal page requires a title, a slug which acts as the page's unique identifier, and crucial SEO components like the SEO title and description. These elements are crucial for maximizing your page's visibility in search engines. Now let's move on to creating an external page. Go ahead and click Add External Page. Similar to the internal page, a form will appear. This time you'll enter a page title followed by the full URL that the external page should link to. Make sure to include https to ensure the link functions properly. With everything filled out, go ahead and click Create. That's all there is to it. Once you've created both your internal and external custom pages, you can dive deeper into customization within the website builder, allowing you to refine and tailor every aspect to match your preferences. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating custom pages in Beehiiv. Remember, the more you work inside the platform, the more intuitive it will become. Happy building!